sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
I want nothing but the best for you. I want you to find someone and be happy.
Yeah, you too. I'm sorry.
Ever hear about those two lovers trying to burn their bridge? As it burns, they keep saying to reassure themselves, so far so good. So far so good. So far so good.
I wonder if Lucy ever forgave me for bringing up her dad. Her parents were divorced when she was 4, so she rarely ever saw him. He's in Italy. She told me about how he's this super talented chef, has his own restaurant, knows a bunch of famous people down there. She would say all the time, "I'm so glad to have him as my dad." Talk about everything he's done and accomplished, but not about who he really was. She didn't know him. He never really visited. But it's a sensitive topic. We'd never brought it up. And I definitely shouldn't have. I'm sorry.
Nice day for a smoke?
You don't smoke.
It's never too late to start, or at least give it a try.
That's a horrible philosophy and really a bad way of thinking.
So?
Look, I know you didn't bring me here just to be mysterious.
I always do things for a reason.
We both know that reason isn't smoking.
Well, it's romantic.
Not in the car.
Sorry.
Mike, I think it's only necessary.
Yeah, I don't see why you think all of this needs to just end. It's really abrupt.
I'm nervous about it, but I really do think it's what needs to be done.
Why? I'm not done with us. I don't see why I'm suddenly out of the picture.
Michael, I already have my ticket. It's one way. Look, I know you're anxious about it, but I want you to know that this will be worth it for us.
See, I know you tell yourself that, but isn't there a part of you that's scared? You know, that's nervous about what you're doing? I mean, it's all so new.
Sure, it's new. It's a new city. Venice is not California, obviously, but culinary is something I've always been good at, and you know that.
Yeah, see, that's just what hurts. I know everything about you, or enough to just enjoy life with you. That's what 4 years of a relationship does.
4 years isn't insignificant, Mike, but my goals. I mean, ever since I was a kid.
Ever since I was a kid, I would dream about how somewhere in this mad world there's someone out there that I can connect with, share who I really am with. Lucy, that's been you.
Who are we to act so confidently about love? We're 18, Mike.
I love you like I love my parents. What makes that love any less real?
When your parents are gone, they're still your parents. When your lover's gone, I don't know how that's supposed to last. Look, I'm not going to be there for you. When you have a goal, you go after it. That's what I'm doing, and that's what you should be doing too.
I'm pursuing my goal, but I'm not sacrificing the people that I love. I care about you, about what we are, when we're together, when we even take time to talk about things like this.
I care too, Mike.
Okay, then can you just tell me then why the words long distance are stopping us? I mean, distance makes the heart grow fonder.
No, it doesn't. That's not fondness, that's loneliness. Something you know we can't deal with.
You really think I'll forget to call you, to text you every day?
I know you wouldn't forget, but I think I would.
Why? I thought you cared about me.
Of course I care about you, but when you're alone for that long, you fade, Mike. Your emotions fade.
Why are you thinking like this?
Look, I'm sorry I didn't tell you sooner. I've been scared, but this is right. This is the right
The
thing
right
to do.
thing to do? Why don't I get a say in this? Why are you making the decision
Because I
for us?
can't do it, Mike. I can't do long distance.
So what? I've just been an object these last 4 years.
An object?
Did you ever really like me? Really love me?
I'm doing this because I love you.
Then why won't you give it a chance?
Because I'm not gonna see you for at least 5 years. My dad's gonna be there. My work's gonna be there. I'm not coming back.
I'll call you every day. I'll text you every day. I'll dream about you every day. We can make this work. Just please.
No, Mike, I'm sorry.
Why are you not sad about this? Are you seeing someone else?
What? No.
Are you leaving me for someone else?
No, I'm not.
Stop lying to me!
Mike, I need you to understand that there is no one else but you and me.
Then why the hell does this feel so one-sided? Am I just garbage to you? Is that why I feel so disposable? Is this what happens when your dad leaves? You just treat all men like we're... Oh, I'm sorry. Hey.
Hi, you've reached Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
I can get an Uber. You can go home.
I'm sorry, but this is a Starbucks?
Sorry, I thought this was my romantically deranged boyfriend.
What? Yeah, no, this is, Mitch from Starbucks. We don't usually provide those services.
Oh, really?
I'm sorry, there's some feedback on my headset. You said you wanted a decaf Americano?
Wow, how did you know?
Well, you told me.
Sorry, my memory's hazy.
We can accommodate that with an in-person service. Would that be okay, ma'am?
Yes.
Hey, I shouldn't have said what I said about your dad. He's a great guy, he's done a lot of good work, and I'm happy that you're pursuing your goals. I'm just gonna miss you.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry that this has to happen this way. This isn't how I wanted this to play out, but I'm glad that we have this last day together. Mike? Mike. A memory is never over.
Hey, I hope you didn't change your number. I'm sorry I keep on calling. I wanted to, I don't know, talk. I miss you, but you already know that. I hope you feel the same. I really hoped you would pick up this time because I can go to Venice for a bit. I've saved up, and I wanted to know if you'd be okay with that. I want to taste the food you're making and see the sights you're seeing together. I want it with all my heart. So just call me. I'll pick up. I'll be waiting. Love you.
Even when we were still dating, she would never pick up the phone, and I'd always have to tell her to text me back. Lucy, pick up the phone.
Ever hear about those two lovers trying to burn their bridge? As it burns, they keep saying to reassure themselves, so far so good. So far so good. So far so good. Bridges are easy to burn, but you can't walk away without a scar.